Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your registration with Adobe, beginner guide step by step clearly. To verify your registration with Adobe, start by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Adobe website by typing www.adobe.com in the address bar. Once you're on the home page, look for the Sign In button located at the top right corner. Click on the Sign In button to proceed. You will be prompted to enter your Adobe ID and password. Input your information and click the Sign In button again. After signing in, locate your account profile in the top right corner. Click on your profile icon to access the account settings. From the drop-down menu, select View Account. In the Account dashboard, look for the Plans and Payments tab. Click on it to view your registered products and subscriptions. Check for the product you want to verify. If the product is listed, you are successfully registered. For additional confirmation, check your email for a registration confirmation message from Adobe. If you did not receive a confirmation email, look in your spam or junk folder. If you still cannot find it, consider resending the registration email by visiting the Help section on the Adobe website. Follow the prompts to resend the registration details to your email. Lastly, if issues persist, reach out to Adobe customer support for further assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.